I love this spa. The world is closed for COVID. My toddler can play by day and mommy and daddy can soak at night. Best Mother's Day present ever. Advice: take a water sample to the local pool store and get the correct chemicals on the day you set this up. Hold approximate 250 gallons. Filters last about 6 months with bi-weekly cleanings. Amazing! Bought this as an anniversary present for my wife. Setup says it takes 2 people, but I was easily able to do it myself. Everything to get started and jump in was included. Other than chemicals, I didn't need to get anything. It even came with test strips. Headrests are very nice and the sides are very sturdy. This is my second hot tub in 4 years, got the same one both times, where the second one was blue, first one was tan, both 6-man, both cost under $500, one of them was under $4, and it is so amazing. I use it every day of the week, 365 days a year. The only thing I can say is the price has skyrocketed, and I highly recommend this hot tub, extremely high quality for the price, and I am definitely getting my money's worth. Click on the link below to see price.